Do you want to be able to find your account number in Home Credit? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So there is actually a couple of ways to do this. As you can see, the first way is to use your Home Credit app. So open your Home Credit app and make sure that you are logged in, of course. Then go to My Account or Profile. This section quite often usually contains your account details. So look for account number. It may be listed under your loan or credit details, just so you know. What you can do also is this method 2 right here is to check your loan agreement. So find your loan contract. This was given to you when you first signed up, just so you know, and then look for the account number. It is usually displayed at the top of the document. And method number 3, check if you have received any text messages or emails from Home Credit themselves. So search for your messages, for example. Home Credit often sends account related details via SMS or email. Look for loan or payment confirmation messages. Your account number may be included in these ones, just so you know. The method number 4 is going to be for you to just contact Home Credit customer service. So call Home Credit support, use their official customer service number. So just go in on their official website and click on support, and you will be able to see it. You need to verify your identity when you call them. Obviously, they will probably ask you for personal details for security reasons. Then you will need to request your account number. They will provide it once verification is complete. And this is basically exactly how to do this.